As the locals in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir continue to protest, taking a dig at the Shehbaz Sharif-ruled Pakistan, the Ministry of External Affairs stated that the demonstrations are natural consequences of the government's illegal dominance of the natural resources of the region. The imminent remark by MEA comes as Pakistan authorities' violent crackdown on the peaceful protesters continues. Speaking at the weekly press conference, MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said that India believes protests are an implication of Pakistan's continued policy of systematic plundering of resources from POJK as the territory remains under the terror-sponsoring nation's forcible and illegal occupation.
पिछले कुछ दिनों में वहां पर विरोध प्रदर्शन हुआ, उसमें कुछ लोग हताहत हुए। ये विरोध ये परिणाम है वहां पर जिस प्रकार की नीतियां चल रही हैं, वहां के संसाधन को जिस प्रकार से लूटा जा रहा है, वहां के लोगों को जितना दूर रखा जा रहा है इन संसाधन से, अपने संसाधन से उनका लाभ नहीं पहुंच रहा है। इस कारण से ये हो रहा है और जो वहां का तंत्र है वहां पर लोगों का एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं, उनको अपने उनके संसाधन है उसका लाभ उन तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है। जहां तक हम लोगों ने पहले भी कहा है, जहां तक पाकिस्तान अधिकृत कश्मीर की बात है, यूनियन टेरिटरीज जो जम्मू के, लद्दाख के और कश्मीर के जो हैं वो भारत के अभिन्न अंग हैं, अभिन्न अंग रहेंगे। ये हमारा बल है।
For the unversed, swarms of locals in the POJK are protesting against the repressing Pakistani government, demanding to be merged with India in order to get their basic living rights and freedom heard and catered to. Recently, protesters in Rawalkot openly displayed their animosity towards the repressive Pakistani regime as they took off the flag of Pakistan and unfurled the Indian tricolour. Meanwhile, after being significantly pressurized, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif stated that he agreed that the demands being raised by the locals in POJK were correct. However, he added that many among the demonstrators were rioters, attempting to highlight that the peaceful protests were infiltrated by the rioters. But truth be told, the Pakistani PM is trying to fabricate the reality with lies and is making an effort to shield its policemen and security officials who have otherwise launched a brutal and violent crackdown on the demonstrations. It is worth mentioning here that the Pakistani authorities have paid the least interest in the infrastructural and other fundamental needs of the population in POJK, such as electricity, residence, etc. This has infuriated the natives to a high extent, prompting them to raise their voices to be merged with India, a nation witnessing progress in every domain. Meanwhile, taking a veiled swipe at the Congress leader and India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who served POJK on a platter in Pakistan, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Thursday said that India lost its hold on POJK due to someone else's mistake and weakness. However, he reiterated that POJK remains to be a part of India and the country would soon get its control back as India has a legitimate claim over the territory.
एक तो मैं नहीं मानता कि वहाँ लक्ष्मण रेखा है। तो मुझे लगता है कि पीओके जो है भारत का अंग है। कहीं एक समय में किसी के कमज़ोरी के कारण, किसी की गलती के कारण हमारे यहाँ से टेम्पररी निकल गया, टेम्पररी। तो आप यह भी जानते हैं कि इसमें एक संसद, ये संसद का, पूरे संसद का और माने सर्वसम्मति से एक रेजोल्यूशन है कि हम जो है कभी न कभी पाकिस्तान ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर को वापस लेंगे। ये पोजीशन